Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right this cool I'm basically right here in my hand, and basically what this is a bag that you can use to carry stuff if you guys don't want to carry like a fancy bag when you're going out and about. So the brand that I got right here is from Lululemon, but there's obviously a lot of other bags out there that's very similar to this one right here. So let me actually take it out first. So this is basically what the bag looks like right here. If you can see, they do have a slot for you to put stuff in here if you guys want to. This is what the back part looks like right here. So all you need to do is open up the zipper first. And then inside, this is basically what it looks like right there. So let's take out the strap. You guys can see there's another strap right here. So you want to strap it on the back part right here. And open up this part right here. Then you guys can actually use it as a shoulder strap. Or you can use it like a crossbody strap as well. But you can see the inside very spacious. There's like a pocket here, this pocket here, and a pocket here. And once you guys have everything inside here, you guys can zip it back up. And then you guys are all set. So if you look at the tag right here, there's some specs about the product itself. So they mention how the fabric is water repellent, is easy to wipe clean, expandable to adjust capacity, easy access exterior pockets for essentials. So that's definitely really cool. So the actual product itself, I guess it's like water resistant. So if you get water on here, you can just wipe it off really easily. And when they say water repellent or water resistant, that doesn't mean it's waterproof where you can actually just dump this into the ocean or whatever. So you definitely don't want to do that. But you definitely feel the material on here is really, really nice. It's very, very spacious where you can actually put a lot of stuff in here. So maybe you guys can put like your phone, maybe you can put your wallet, power banks, cables, or whatever you guys need to go about your day, to go shopping, going outdoor, or whatever. Alright, so when you open up, you guys can see that this is basically what the back looks like right here. So if you guys see, it's definitely really cool. So you can go like this. Or if you guys want to, you guys can actually open up more. And the way how you guys open it more is by loosening up this part right here. Right, so you can see it's pretty loose now. So you guys can just go like this now. And just carry like that, like a crossbody bag, which is pretty cool. You can see it's pretty small and it's pretty compact, but that's basically what the product looks like and how it works. Obviously, when you guys purchase bags from this brand, you guys are not limited to this one right here. They actually have a lot of other bags available for you guys. There's some small ones, there's some big ones like these right here. And they also have a bunch of reusable tote bags like these right here. If you guys can see, it looks very similar to the one where you guys can get usually when you guys purchase an item from their store. I'm not 100% sure if they still do it in store anymore, but if you guys buy it online, they don't give you a bag. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we can unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys have the money or the budget to spend, especially if you guys want like a more bougie and more pretty bag. This one right here is fully pink, so if you guys do like pink, then this is pretty awesome. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.